ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಯಕರಾದಂಥ ಭೂಪೇಂದ್ರ ಯಾದವ್ಜಿಯವರೇ, ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಯಕರಾದಂಥ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಜಿ
Now Jagdish Shettar speaking in now, thanking all of them who are present on stage, including Bhupendra Yadav, B.S. Yediyurappa, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, B.Y. Vijayendra and all the other BJP leaders who are present on the stage.
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಮುಖಂಡರು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಚಿವರಾದಂಥ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷದ ಸಂಗತಿ. ನಾನು ಕಳೆದ
It's a very happy day for me today.
ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು
During the last assembly elections,
ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಕಳೆದ
I had resigned from the BJP party and joined the Congress.
ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ
Many of the BJP party workers had expressed their unhappiness.
ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಅಪೇಕ್ಷೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಮರಳಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ
Many of the senior leaders within the BJP party had expressed their concerns and voices along with me, stating that I should be rejoining the party.
ನಮ್ಮ ಗೃಹ ಸಚಿವರು ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ಹಿರಿಯ ನಾಯಕರು, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಭಾಳ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ
We met Union Home Minister Amit Shah in the morning.
ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಅಂತ
He is again welcomed me back into the party fold.
ಮತ್ತು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ
We will also shortly be meeting the BJP National President JP Nadda.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನನಗೊಂದು ಸಂತೋಷದ ಸಂಗತಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಭಾಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನೇನು ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಸದಸ್ಯನಾಗಿ
Me rejoining the BJP party once again is a happy moment.
ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಸದಸ್ಯನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ವಿಧಾನ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಸಭಾಪತಿಗಳಂತ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಬಸವರಾಜ ಹೊರಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸದಸ್ಯತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ
I have spoken to the chairman of the council, to the speaker of the council, in fact, Baswaraj Horatti, and stated that I will be resigning from the post of the MLC.
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ
Jagdish Shettar making this official statement saying that he will be resigning from the post of MLC.
ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಸದಸ್ಯತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಇಮೇಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವತಃ ಕಳಿಸುವಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
I have also sent an email to the KPCC President DK Shivkumar stating, giving out my resignation from the primary membership of the Congress party.
ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು, ದೇಶದ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶದ ಹಿತರಕ್ಷಣೆ. ಈ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಜಿಯವರು
What's important today is the integrity and the sovereignty of the entire nation, and also about the security of the nation. And for the past several decades, I have been working for the BJP party, and I want to go ahead and do the same as well in the years to come.
ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಶಕ್ತಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವಿಷಯ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು
under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, once again I accept the fact that the party will again come back to power, and to go ahead and give him more strength, I will be joining the BJP party.
ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಷ್ಠವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೀಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ Bharatiya Janata Party, and Bharatiya Janata Party.
Over to you with Jagdish Shettar now starting to speak in English.
On me, and because of some other issues, I went to the National Congress Party. And one thing, after that event, last 8-9 months, there is a lot of discussion in the Bharatiya Janata Party. Even Karnataka BJP leaders and workers from the ground level, everybody in so many occasions when they were meeting me in Karnataka, everybody asking, you come back to the BJP, you come back to the BJP. And for that purpose, I also responded, and even our leader, Manya Yediyurappa ji, and State President Vijayendra ji, and our national leaders, everybody, they wanted to come back BJP, and accordingly our workers feeling I'm rejoining the BJP. And another important thing, under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, last 10 years, where the Honorable Narendra Modi ji as a Prime Minister did lot of things for the strength of the India, and in a world international level, India has become a very powerful country under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji. So, with the belief of the Narendra Modi ji leadership, I am to strengthen, and Narendra Modi ji has to again become the Prime Minister of this India to strengthen the India. For that purpose, with that belief, I am rejoining the Bharatiya Janata Party. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಸಹಿತ ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೊಂದು ಗೌರವ ಸ್ಥಾನಮಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷಂತ ಡಿ ಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Well, and therefore he stating that he wants to thank the Congress party for treating him with respect and dignity.
और बहुत ही कम समय में सभी आप इस पत्रकार वार्ता में शामिल हुए, आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
All right, people, we just saw how Jagdish Shettar has joined Bharatiya Janata Party back, and in fact, he was welcomed by the Bharatiya Janata Party, as we can see in the visuals, wholeheartedly. In fact, Yediyurappa, who's also former Karnataka Chief Minister, was also there, and the BJP has welcomed this decision, while Jagdish Shettar has said that the reason that he has joined Bharatiya Janata Party back, in fact, he had quit the party last year in April only, and he had joined the Congress, and now he has joined BJP back just ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, the general elections 2024. And in his first response after rejoining Bharatiya Janata Party, Jagdish Shettar said that he is joining BJP because he's very impressed with the work of Prime Minister Modi, and he also wants to be part of this journey of development and vikas where India is headed. All right, viewers, I'll go back to my colleague Prajwal. Prajwal, now this is phenomenal. This is a major setback for the Congress. They would be coming out and saying whatever they have to in their defense. But a senior leader, a veteran leader like Shettar quitting Congress within a year, in fact less than a year, and going back to BJP and clearly saying that he believes in the Prime Minister and his path and he wants to also contribute. What does it mean for the morale of Congress?
You know, this is definitely a huge setback for the Congress as well, because now we are also getting in some more breaking news, Nikita, along these lines as well. Because if you're looking at it now, there was a meeting which was held between H.D. Kumaraswamy, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, as well as JP Nadda as well, along with the former MP Kupendra Reddy and also the JDS Youth President Nikhil Kumaraswamy on the 19th of January. Over there, they had also spoken largely about the seat sharing formula, but H.D. Kumaraswamy, in an exclusively to Republic, had stated that the seat sharing formula will be decided only post the 22nd of January after the Pran Pratishtha. But also now, insiders are going ahead and giving in details of this particular meeting as well, because we get to understand that the BJP High Command had also entrusted H.D. Kumaraswamy with yet another crucial job. That crucial job was to go ahead and bring back Jagdish Shettar into the party fold, and seems like that has now become a reality, and sources are confirming to Republic that H.D. Kumaraswamy had spoken to Jagdish Shettar yesterday for a lengthy conversation as well. Jagdish Shettar was not available anywhere in the public forum for the past 2 days. He was neither seen in his constituency of Hubballi, Dharwad. He was neither seen in Bengaluru, and from what we get to understand, he had already flown to Delhi 2 days ago. So this was something on the cards as well, and this was being hinted to, is what we are getting to know.